Welcome back to Technology YouTube channel. So we know, like with just 5 days remaining for the launch of the phone, the leaks would intensify, and we already saw the hands-on video. But now we have got an unboxing video. Yeah, you heard it right. We have an unboxing video coming from this guy on Twitter. It was Urbi now, and he bought the same phone which was sold there, and he showed us an unboxing video along with all the specs and everything which we know for the fact, but now it just makes it sure. And it looks boxy nonetheless. It has metallic frame and it's a cream color, off white to be exact. Like it's a white color variant, and the S23 Ultra camera performance is not final. They will tune it before the release, but yeah, night mode pretty significant as you can see on the screen here. It's days and night difference between night mode. Like with night mode off, you see nothing, but with night mode on, you see literally everything else. It's this pic also shows everything. Like you retain the detail, which is like awesome to see. Maybe it's the magic of 200 megapixel and optimization they did, but do note it's an early camera sample, so there might be more things to come. As you can see on the screen here, it retains the natural lightings pretty much in night mode, which is a nice thing to see. So yeah, pretty awesome on Samsung's part, and we know what you regularly get in the smartphone. So you will get the phone and the cable, that's it in the box. And this is a 30x zoom of S23 Ultra, and on the left it's 7.2. And yeah, S23 Ultra has retained its focus, and also at 30 times zoom, you don't lose what the image is truly is. Like it looks awesome. Like even if you zoom it, crop it to 30x, you megapic retain the quality of the picture, which is maybe due to 200 megapixel doing its thing, but we know like 108 megapixel didn't had that much nice when it launched, but through optimization he did it. Samsung did it, and this is the front selfie camera. It looks awesome, and the front camera, and also see the zoom lens, like you zoom in pretty substantially, and then also you don't lose much of the image quality, which is a nice thing to see. Also the hardware info is here. As you want, you can just see it or pause it and see, but it just confirms it. Yeah, and we got the unboxing video. So that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Shout out your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.